Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your home screen or lock. Screen and press and hold on the screen until the wallpaper menu appears. After that, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add a new wallpaper. From here, you can choose from the available wallpaper categories. If you don't like any of the options shown, simply scroll down to see more wallpapers. Once you find a wallpaper you like, tap on it to preview how it will look on your screen. You can make small adjustments if needed. And when you're happy with it, tap Done to set it as your wallpaper. For now, I like my old wallpaper, so I'm not changing it. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials.